The Poisonwood Bible by Barbara Kingsolver. Arrival in the Congo. The Price family, led by the overbearing and zealous Nathan Price, arrive in the Belgian Congo in 1959 as missionaries. They are greeted by the unfamiliar landscape, culture, and people of Kalanga, where they will spend the next years attempting to spread Christianity. Cultural clashes. As the Prices settle into Kalanga, cultural clashes become apparent. Nathan's rigid beliefs clash with the flexible traditions of the Congolese people. The family struggles to adapt to their new surroundings, facing language barriers, misunderstandings, and the harsh realities of colonialism. Family dynamics. The narrative delves into the dynamics within the Price family. Narrated by the four Price daughters, Rachel, Leah, Ada, and Ruth May, the story explores their individual perspectives, relationships with each other, and their complicated relationship with their father. Nathan's mission. Nathan is determined to convert the Congolese to Christianity, despite resistance from the villagers and his family's growing doubts. His single-minded pursuit of his mission leads to conflicts within the community and exacerbates tensions between the Prices and the Congolese. Political unrest. The political landscape in the Congo grows increasingly tumultuous as the country approaches independence from Belgian rule. The Prices find themselves caught in the midst of political upheaval, facing threats from both the colonial authorities and the indigenous people. Environmental challenges. The harsh African environment presents numerous challenges for the Prices. They struggle with disease, famine, and natural disasters, further complicating their mission and deepening their isolation from the outside world. Personal transformations. Over time, each member of the Price family undergoes personal transformations. They confront their own beliefs, biases, and shortcomings, coming to terms with their identities and their place in the world amidst the turmoil of the Congo. Loss and grief. The Prices experience profound loss and grief as they face tragedy and hardship in Kalanga. Death, both natural and violent, casts a shadow over their lives, forcing them to confront the fragility of existence and the limits of their faith. Betrayals and redemption. Betrayals occur within the Price family and the Kalanga community, testing their bonds and challenging their sense of morality. Yet, amidst the betrayals and hardships, moments of redemption emerge as characters seek forgiveness, reconciliation, and hope. Departure and reflection. As their time in the Congo comes to an end, the Price family reflects on their experiences and the impact of their missionary work. They grapple with the consequences of their actions and the legacy they leave behind, ultimately facing the difficult task of returning to a world forever changed by their time in Africa. In the Poisonwood Bible, the Price family members confront the repercussions of their time in the Congo and the profound transformations they have undergone. They grapple with the weight of their actions, the losses they've endured, and the enduring impact of their missionary journey on their lives and relationships. Through moments of introspection and reconciliation, they come to terms with their past and embrace the uncertain future that awaits them.